In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort data on multiple columns in a table. So we're going to go over to our O9 Owners spreadsheet or workbook file. And the first thing is, you notice this is not formatted as a table yet. So we're going to do that. So we're going to select range A1 to G20. And then we're going to go over to the Home tab, which we're on already. And in the Styles group, click Format as a Table. And you may have some extra rows here, depending on if this is the first time you've used this file to do this step-by-step or if it's a different one. I'm not exactly sure. I think I should have some more rows, 2 or 3 times this many rows. I'm not sure exactly, but it's going to be all the same. So Format as a Table, and we're going to click on Table Style Medium 14. So let's see which one. 22, 8. So that's Table Style Medium 14. I'm going to click. My table has headers because we have headers here. So click OK. With the table still selected, click in the name box, and we're going to rename this Owners. So on our Design tab, it says Table Name. We're going to call this Owners. And if you are using your file from our previous exercise, if you remember, we actually brought data in to add to our data in our worksheet. So when you go to make your table, it may ask you about this connection. And you'll just click Yes in the dialog box. And you're trying to ask it to remove those connections. And so what we're going to do, we're going to select our font. So while we have it all selected, we're going to change our font. No big deal. We're going to change it to Cambria, 11 points. And we can also resize our columns if we need to, but everything looks to be okay. And then in column G, we're going to select this and we're going to left align it. And that'll move all the numbers over to the left. And then now we can just put our cursor anywhere in this table, and we have our Table Tools Design tab. And that appears just because we have a table. But we're going to go to our data group, our data tab for now. We're going to go to the Sort and Filter group. Sort and Filter group. We're going to click Sort. So we're going to set up some sorting. It's kind of like the Harry Potter sorting hat. So which house are we going to be in? Let's see. So in the Sort by List box under Column, we're going to pick Last Name. We're going to add a level. So we tell it what order we're going to sort it. And this is the same way we did. It's pretty much the same thing we did even when it was not a table. So then we're going to do first name. So alphabetical by last name and then first name. So if there's 2 Smiths, then it'll sort it by first name. If there's two with the same first name but different last names, it'll be by last name. So whatever it takes. So we're just telling it what order to do it in. Click OK. And we have 2 Woos. We have a Kim and a Lily. And Kim comes first because she is a K instead of a L. But that's how you do it. It's pretty similar to how you would do it even if it wasn't a table. And hope that helped you.